cavity. What if I said you make your own reality? Get over here, I don't want no fatality. Hottest hip-hop flow, who wants to challenge me? Why can't we finally see Saturn? Is this a regular or irregular pattern? If it's ring, hit us, will we blow the smithereens? Will we even feel a thing? Somebody show me if humans can even matter. But you think we can? I don't think we can. I think perception is the thing that we should understand. Cause mind control is real, and I can prove it now. Think about who okay with the shit that's going down. Hip-hop didn't die, the shit got killed. Cause they ain't want the truth coming in, nobody is. Hip-hop didn't die, the shit got killed. Cause they ain't want the truth coming in, nobody is. I'm the opposite of day and night. I don't change when my words start to write. I get better like the fourth quarter game. 7 legs, heavy heads, putting pressure, heavy legendary one mic. These record labels can't sign me, cause don't nobody really know where they can find me. And if they did, they will find I have very little time or care for the fame, cause the shit won't define me. I need you to say as far as I got with the hip hop. I need you to say every time I say I need you to say every time I say I need you to say